If you can remember from the course, we spoke about tubular locks. So today we're going to teach you how to cut a tubular key using a tubular key cutter. But first I want to just put it into perspective for you. So tubular locks can be commonly found on safes like this, post boxes and cabinet locks. If I have to zoom in, I can show you what it looks like on this safe. So as you can see, it's like the Berg Watcher ones that has a plastic cap over the keyway. So keypad doesn't work, customers lost the keys or the batteries have gone dead. So we take the batteries out, we need to pick the lock open. We can then use a tubular pick like this. Okay, they are quite expensive, they're about £100 plus VAT, but they're well worth the money for gaining entry to it. Alright, but I'm going to show you how to change these locks in another video, but more importantly today, how to cut the keys. So this is what a tubular key cutting machine looks like. So this is where you can insert your key, if you cut the spare key, or your pick, if you want to cut a key off your pick reading. Alright, today we're going to show you how to cut off a key, so you can see better when Billy's going to cut it for you now. So Billy, I'll leave it over to you.
Right, so as you can see, this machine is a bit different to a cylinder machine. In a cylinder machine, you'll see that the tracer's on the left-hand side and the cutter's on the right-hand side. So obviously, as you can see, it is different. So basically what you do is you put your blank into the clamp, like so, and make sure you hold it in because otherwise it will just spring back out. Then put your original key onto the tracer, and then making sure that your key is all the way onto the tracer. Then push towards the drill bit, and then clamp it in, like so. Once you've done that, the key should be aligned. So now I'm going to show you how to cut it. So as you saw on a cylinder machine, you trace over going left to right. On this, basically what you do is you're just going in the grooves on the tubular key, like you saw. So then now, once you've done that, just double check your key, just to make sure all the grooves are correct. So to me that looks correct. So I'll just go give it a brush. So as you can see, what I've done is basically just go in and out of all the grooves, like so. Go through it 2 times just to make sure that all the cuts are the correct depth. So that's how you cut a tubular key. Thank you.